Hey guys, my name is Kiki and today I'm going to show you how to make my lazy ass enchiladas. That's just a couple whole food ingredients. And yeah, it comes together pretty quick. So what I'm going to start with is corn tortillas. Actually, let me go over the ingredients with you guys. So you need corn tortillas, some enchilada sauce. I like Trader Joe's fat-free coconut creamer to make the sauce creamy. Some brown rice, some canned beans or beans that you already have cooked. I just have some black beans that I had cooked and pulled out of the freezer, some frozen or canned corn, and some leftover potatoes. And that's about it. If you have any plant cheese hanging around, you can add that at the end too. So you're gonna need about 3 to 4 cups of enchilada sauce. Now you can make your own, or you can try to find some fat-free natural stuff in the health food store, which is what I did. You can call it lazy. I like to call it efficient. So I'm going to take my creamer and add it to my enchilada sauce. It just makes it creamy. The kids really love it this way, and it brings down the heat. Even though I buy mild, it still seems to be too spicy for them. So they really like the creamer in there. And you could add like soy milk or almond milk, whatever you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this in the dish here so that my food doesn't stick as much. And then I'm gonna take these corn tortillas and just lay them in the bottom for the first layer. All right, so I took my leftover baked potatoes. If you guys have seen my other videos or part of my Facebook group, you know I always have leftover baked potatoes hanging around. So I'm just gonna put a layer of those down. And then I'll do some corn. You know, if you don't have any baked potatoes in your fridge, you could easily use Bob's Red Mill instant mashed potatoes. Those are really good too. They're just dehydrated potatoes. You add hot water and voila, mashed potatoes. And mashed potatoes would be really good in here. So I'm just adding the brown rice. I don't know if I already said that. And then I'm gonna put the black beans on top. Before I put another layer of corn tortillas on, I'm gonna put a little bit more enchilada sauce. All right, so now I'm gonna put down another layer and then start all over with the potatoes and all the other ingredients. Put sauce on it again. And as you guys can see, it is not meticulous at all, just easy, throw it together. So I just do 2 layers and then I'm gonna top it off. Now that I said instant mashed potatoes would be amazing, they really would be amazing on here. I think I'm gonna do that next time. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit more of the sauce on top just to wet the tortillas. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. It's just to heat everything through. The top is gonna dry out, but at the end we'll top it with some more of the enchilada sauce and some cheese, and you'll see how it comes out. Okay, so I just pulled them out. It's been about 30 minutes, and as you can see, they kind of dry up, so I'm just gonna top it off with more sauce. And then I'm gonna put the little bit of plant cheese I have made on them. All right, now I'm just gonna pop it back in for 10 minutes to heat all this stuff up, and then I'll serve it up. All right, you guys, there you have it. Really delicious, easy, as you saw, full of whole foods. If you make your own enchilada sauce, you can keep it completely salt-free. My family loves this. They just gorge themselves on it. So I hope you guys give it a try. If you want to see more recipes, check out my YouTube channel. You can also check out my food group on Facebook called Kiki's Plantiful Kitchen.